I hope y'all enjoyed the dinner, the awards presentation, and the slideshow. And if you'll just indulge me for a few minutes, I would appreciate it. I always give closing remarks at the end of the evening. But before I give my closing remarks tonight, I wanted to ask Crissy Turino to come join me on stage. And while Crissy is making her way up here, I would also like to ask all the current and past award recipients if you all wouldn't mind standing up or raising your hand. Thank you so much. I don't know if y'all got to look around, but it's a really amazing group. And one of the things that's very gratifying to me as the director is that when people get awards, they don't just take them and run. I mean, they're not worth much on the open market, so it's very, very gratifying that people are still involved and are still here. Crissy didn't know I was going to say anything, so this could be a little awkward for her. Crissy is the coordinator of our client services programs, including the hotline, dental, and case management services, and she joined our staff 3 years ago in the summer of 2011. Crissy will be leaving us later this summer to pursue, to pursue her master's in public health in maternal and child health at the University of Illinois, Chicago. So I wanted to take a moment to say a few words about Crissy and her work with us at Healthcare Consumers. Crissy has elevated the hotline and the client services that we provide. Her professionalism has made the collaborations that we now have and enjoy possible. She goes where angels fear to tread. And I mean with clients. There are people who come to us who are desperately in need and you don't know how you're going to help them. And Crissy never turns away. She goes where angels fear to tread. Her leadership in our organization has created a culture of deep compassion, patience, and problem solving that all of us embody. She's raised the bar so much and we all follow in suit and enjoy the rewards of that approach. She inspires loyalty, admiration, and affection in everyone who works with her, whether co-workers or clients or community members. She is perpetually sweet, kind, and patient. And she has succeeded in helping clients who others could not or gave up. In fact, we have had several times where people from other organizations, other helping organizations, caseworkers and other people call and say, I can't believe you were able to help him when she got somebody Medicaid or got them prescription drugs, because it took so much patience and perseverance to work with somebody, but she just doesn't give up. Now, working on these front lines, she has seen sorrow and injustice, and she bears the scars of those because her soul is tender enough to become scarred. But it is bright and true and resilient enough to remain optimistic and never turn away from a person in need. Crissy, we thank you from the depths of our hearts. You have forever changed us for the better. If your hope in working with us was to make a lasting difference, you have accomplished that 1,000,000 times over. We are all better, and Healthcare Consumers is better for you having agreed to come and work with us. Please join me, everyone, in thanking Crissy and wishing her well in the next chapter in her life.